Next, a public consultation's underway on proposed changes to Bridgend's social housing allocation policy. The council says the update is needed after significant legislative changes and rising demand since the last review in 2017. More than 3,300 households are currently on the Common Housing Register, with shortages of 1- and 4-bedroom homes in areas like Brackla and Porthcawl. The draft policy aims to prioritise those most in need, including people facing homelessness and care-experienced children. An income and asset test may also be introduced, alongside updated exclusion rules. Consultation runs until the 22nd of October. A vision for Tony Pandy's future has been set out as Rhondda Cynon Council launches its draft town centre strategy. The plan covers Pandy Square, Dunraven Street and Lower Dunraven Street, with proposals ranging from public realm upgrades to property improvements, better signage and secure cycle storage. The strategy also aims to improve access, celebrate local heritage and support small businesses. Funded through the Welsh Government's Transforming Towns programme, it will guide future investment and events. Public consultation runs until the 3rd of October, with drop-in sessions at the weekly market and an exhibition at Tony Pandy Library. Marshfield Football Club could soon have a new 85-seat spectator stand at its home ground. Plans submitted to Newport City Council include building the stand on the southwest side of the pitch, between the dugouts, along with a footpath linking it to Marshfield Village Hall. A new hedge would also be planted to provide screening. In Capel Llanelton, the next phase of the parish housing development has been approved. Persimmon Homes will build 167 homes alongside a local centre with 19,000 square metres of commercial space. The wider scheme will eventually total 1,500 homes, plus a school, offices and sports pitches. Work on this stage is expected to start in the autumn, with the first completions in 2026. The developer says it aims to deliver on promised community facilities, following past criticism over delays at other sites. Persimmon says its focus on placemaking will ensure the parish offers high-quality homes, facilities and open spaces, creating what it calls a positive and lasting legacy for the area.